Companies and individuals are generating millions of dollars through ads. Do you know what their secret is? Icon. Icon is an AI that's replacing an entire ad agencies. Their technology writes, edits, and produces high-converting ads in minutes. In this video, I will show you how to use Icon to generate high-converting ads in just minutes. Just take a look at this video. It was entirely generated with Icon. Tell me what you think about this tool in the comment section.
Can you tell which one of these ads is AI? If you guessed both, you're right. But did you notice that I'm AI generated too? Hi, I'm Kenan, founder of Icon. We're the first AI ad maker. Think CapCut, but for making ads with AI. Let me show you how it works. So step one is sharing your content library. Icon breaks everything down into small reusable pieces with tags. From there, we're going to write scripts based off winning ads. We'll find the perfect match from your library for every scene. For anything that we can't match perfectly, Icon's going to generate new footage to fill in the gaps. We also help with permutations, voiceovers, captions, and much more. This gets you 80 to 99% of the way there, and then with our editor, you can take them to the finish line. We're backed by Peter Thiel's Founders Fund, and brands like Emmy, Ridge, and Backbone are already using us to make ads. As part of our launch, we're giving away 1,000 winning ads from top brands. Retweet and comment Icon, and we'll send you the Google Drive with all the videos.
To use Icon, I've included the link in the description of this video. Simply follow the link and start creating your ads. Once again, welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. What we do here is bring you the latest AI and online tools that would help streamline your daily workflow. Kindly hit that subscribe button now to support my channel. Also like and share this video. Now let's dive in and I'll show you how to create your ads. Step 1. To create an account, click on the link to Icon's website in the description of this video and sign up with your email. There is no complicated setup. Step 2. Generate your ad script. Add your product description and Icon will create a compelling script based on this description. Step 3. Create the ad. After generating the script, click on Create Ad. Then, select a creator from the available options that best fits your product and brand. Step 4. Choose voiceover settings. Select the voice for the voiceover. Adjust the speed of the voice to match your brand's tone. Then, click Generate to create your voiceover. Step 5. Finalize the ad. To finalize the ad, click on the right option for the best results. That's my suggestion anyway. Then, Icon will generate your ad in a few minutes, ready to use for campaigns. That's it. You can see it's very simple to use Icon. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start creating your ads and make money like the rest.